In these post-pandemic times, many Americans have embraced the work-from-home lifestyle. But let's face it, managing your career from the house comes with its own set of challenges. Pets, kids, surprise deliveries, pool safety concerns, the list goes on and on. So, how to monitor the mayhem? Let's meet Marissa and Garrett Severin, a busy family of 4 and a host of pets.
So with the busyness of our chaotic life with sports and activities, we're in and out of the house all the time, and we have an acre lot, so we wanted a way to be able to monitor the kids playing outside when I'm inside doing household activities.
And with my business schedule and being away from home, I wanted a reliable product like the Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW to be able to monitor the home. And we looked into several other products, but we didn't like the evasiveness of it and having an installer come to our house, go through our home. And this was just something that we could do ourselves.
Garrett and I are both DIYers, and so we did a lot of research, and we felt that the Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW was the best fit for our family.
Introducing Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW, your home's guardian. An easy-to-install camera monitoring system that can be accessed from anywhere, either on the go or from your home office. Advantage 1, HomeHawk WINDOW, protecting what matters. Panasonic reliability. Camera is DIY. Very plug-and-play. Live feeds, customized alerts, crystal clear picture, bright color night vision, no monthly fees.
The ease of installation combined with the Panasonic reliability plus incredibly sharp color imaging brings me complete peace of mind as I work.
It's funny. After we installed our first camera, we realized we can install multiple cameras on the same system. We actually even monitor our pets.
The ease of installation and the trusted reliability of Panasonic gives us such peace of mind. It's like a piece of our family's safety right at our fingertips.
Advantage 2, watching over your loved ones. With the Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW app, you can check in on your loved ones anytime from multiple cameras, ensuring their safety. Advantage number 3, no more surprises. Be in control. Safeguard your home and belongings. Advantage 4, true peace of mind. With Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW, you're in control and connected to the things that matter most. Panasonic HomeHawk WINDOW, your trusted home monitoring companion.